Goa is a terrific place to come to look for birds, especially if it's your first experience of tropical habitats.
There's a hotspot is right up along the trunk now. They're flying up higher.
And it's a Malabar trogon. It's a male, it's facing us, and the colour on its breast is just fantastic.
You can't even have your meal in peace without being disturbed by good birds.
But you're just in a wilderness here. It's a fantastic experience.
About 15-20 feet.
In that gate.
This is Morjim Beach, and it's particularly popular with bird watchers because it's the best place to see things like gulls and terns. Get as far south as possible and then walk up the beach with the sun behind you in the morning. Bird watchers are welcome to come and visit here, as long as they put a little bit of money into the local economy. So you can just come here, enjoy a beer and see what birds are going to appear.